Maybe a few warnings left by the 10 o'clock show, but by midnight, we should all be fairly in the clear. But tomorrow's going to be one of those days where you're like, I'm done with this, because it's going to cause more of a headache. Hermine is going to just stall out on the East Coast, and that's why it's going to be so catastrophic for some of those beaches there. It's dropping it's dropping visibilities. It's almost knocking me over. Please take shelter immediately. There's damaging winds and hail there out in Storm Lake. Oh, good caught it. Some lightning on the sky cam. Sorry, I just got excited. Whoa, more lightning on the sky cam in Sioux City. Sorry, the geek has come out in me. I mean, we had a beautiful weekend. We'll even get away with it tomorrow. It is beautiful out here in downtown Sioux City. We're seeing lots of sunshine. The temperatures are warm. They put up tents just like this one to give some more shade to those campers. I walked outside and I said, hello, summer. It was, it felt like summer out there today. Temperatures were so warm, no jackets. I mean, it's November. Thanksgiving is in 2 weeks.
Exactly.
2 weeks.
Yeah. So what's the rest of, the forecast looking like for the week?
So we'll have temperatures be a little bit cooler, but they'll still be above normal as we head through this week. We're looking at some clear skies right now in Storm Lake and in downtown Sioux City on the Port Neal Welding Company. Skycam HD. It's just turning out to be a pleasant night after a beautiful day. We had a lot of sunshine. We had warm temperatures. It was just fantastic out there, and tonight will be very pleasant as well. We got up to 73 degrees today. That's 20 above normal and just 5 degrees short of that record back from 1945. Even this morning we were 10 above normal with a low of 41. We could get temperatures to be very cold this time of year. The record is at 6 from 1951. We're still at in the 40s right now. We're at 46 right now in Sioux City with some clear skies and again, just really pleasant. 40s and 50s, 52 in Sheldon, 54 in Orange City, and 46 in Tacoma right now. We have a south wind that's about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll have this south wind through the day tomorrow, and that will help temperatures get warm again. We'll have temperatures get up to 70 degrees. Again, another beautiful day to enjoy. So some clear skies now, some clouds trying to get in from the south, but they're staying blocked, and we'll have some clear skies through the overnight. There are those clear skies. We'll have temperatures be mild into the 40s, 45 degrees the low temperature, and then tomorrow we'll have a few more clouds than we did today, but still plenty of sunshine. We'll just have a mix of those sun and clouds, and then temperatures will get up to 70 degrees. So why has it been so warm to start off November? We're looking at the jet stream. It's just staying up north into Canada. This is what the jet stream usually looks like in July. So that's what's keeping all these warm temperatures for us and the cooler Canadian air up north. And we'll stay with this pattern for at least the next few days, and we'll keep those temperatures. Even though they do cool a bit and we get rid of some of the 70s, they still stay above normal. So here's what the start of November has looked like. 70s, 70 on the 1st and on the 2nd. We got near a record on the 3rd with 77, 74 on the 4th of November, and normal is 54, so 20 plus degrees above normal. Again, we'll have a shot at 74 tomorrow. If we take a look at the temperatures, we'll have a shot at 70 tomorrow, and then temperatures will still stay above normal, but they'll cool with a front that comes on Monday. We'll have some 60s with some clouds, and then into the upper 50s by Tuesday as we bring in some cooler or drier air after that front. So south wind and clear skies tonight on Stormcast HD. We increase those clouds a little bit tomorrow. We'll have some partly cloudy skies with still some warm temperatures getting close to 70 degrees. We really increase the clouds tomorrow night as this cold front starts to come through. We could see some showers come together Monday morning and then Monday afternoon. We'll stay fairly warm throughout the day. We'll just have some of that clouds and rain, but then once the front passes, which should be about 7 o'clock, we should start to see the rain exiting a little bit, only lingering eastern Siouxland. We kick in that north wind, and that clears out the skies for us by Tuesday and brings in some cooler temperatures. So 45 degrees tonight, mostly clear skies, very warm and pleasant. 70 tomorrow, another warm day. Get out and enjoy another beautiful summery November day with a mix of sun and clouds. Election day is on Tuesday, and the weather won't inhibit your voting ability. You can get out to the polls very easily. We'll have plenty of sunshine. 59 degrees on Tuesday. Cooler. There are those cooler temperatures, but plenty of sunshine. That rain again is coming on Monday. That will help cool those temperatures a bit on Tuesday, and then we'll have 60s through the week with sunshine through Veterans Day. That's what the second flag is there for. Veterans Day is on Friday. Also, don't forget those clocks are going back an hour tonight at 2 a.m. It goes back to 1 a.m., we're going to fall back an hour, which means you get an extra hour of sleep or an extra hour of whatever you want to do. 2 a.m. Also, check out the smoke and carbon monoxide detectors on your NOAA weather radio. Check the batteries in that, and also check the batteries in your flashlights, too. It's a good time to really check in on everything and then know when you checked it. And then you check again in the spring when we go the opposite way with clocks.
Good evening. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodbury County now. This is until 7 o'clock. It is just south of the Sioux City Metro and includes Sergeant Bluff, Salix, Climbing Hills, Sloan, all of those areas. That very strong storm is pushing east. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts there. Again, Woodbury County is included. This is just south of Sioux City. It looks like the Sioux City Metro is not included, but South Sioux City is. Again, this storm is moving east at 30 miles per hour. Woodbury County now included in this warning until 7 o'clock. So please take shelter immediately. There's damaging winds and hail there. We want to take shelter. There's lots of lightning and heavy rain. Stay away from windows and please stay safe.
Roads are completely snow covered out here. I've been trying to measure with my ruler, but as you can see, I'm on top of mounds of snow because areas have been plowed here in the parking lot at the Tyson Event Center. But even more so than the snow is the wind. It is practically snowing sideways with the way these gusts are really taking some of that snow. It's dropping it's dropping visibilities. It's almost knocking me over, and it's just not good out here. I-29 has been closed from the Iowa border to Sioux Falls, meaning you cannot drive north into South Dakota because the interstate is closed. You shouldn't be driving anyway. Conditions are not good out here. Very windy, blowing snow, low visibilities, and very slick roads. All not great for driving conditions. So stay inside. Only go out if there's an emergency, and just stay warm and stay safe out there.
Good afternoon. It is beautiful out here in downtown Sioux City. We're seeing lots of sunshine. The temperatures are warm and it's only a little bit sticky, but we do have some severe weather. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County. It expires at 6 o'clock. So please, there's some golf ball size hail there. We are seeing some reports of that, so please take shelter. If you are in that severe thunderstorm warning, please take shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Otherwise, temperatures right now are in the mid and upper 80s. Tonight we'll see some scattered showers and storms mainly in northwest Iowa, and we'll have partly cloudy skies through the overnight. Heat cranks up tomorrow. Let you know how hot in just a few minutes, but first, here's Tim with your local news.
Fields like this one are emptying out as harvest season is well underway. But with frost in the forecast Wednesday night into Thursday morning, farmers tell me that's actually not the reason why they're putting metal to the pedal.
Right now, at this stage of the game, would be a really good thing for us.
Overnight low temperatures are expected to plummet this week, possibly below freezing, making frost likely. But it's not all bad news. Most crops are already mature, meaning any damage from frost wouldn't affect the plant since it stopped growing. Crops that aren't ready for harvest may be too moist, so in this case, frost would help the plants dry up.
To kill them now so they dry up so we can get them harvested is a really good thing. You know, like 3 weeks ago to get a frost would have been a bad thing because they weren't mature yet. And then we'd have lost yield.
The normal date for our first freeze in Plymouth County is October 11th. In June, a storm with large hail damaged some crops, prompting farmers to replant. This October or even earlier freeze could have been a problem for those late planters if Mother Nature didn't cooperate this summer.
If you have a really cool summer, cool, cloudy summer, we had one of those a few years ago that this time of year the crop still wasn't mature. That might have hurt some of the yield potential at that stage.
But we had a warm summer. Through that growing season, from June through September, temperatures were 13.5 degrees above normal.
If we planted it late, we still look like we're reaching maturity right at our average first frost date. So we're getting lucky.
So what does that mean for farmers? Mother Nature did her job. The growing season was good, harvest is going well, and a little freeze won't hurt us. In Plymouth County, meteorologist Elisa Raffa, KCAU 9 News.